Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A very happy new year 2025. In this video, I am going to share with you my new year resolution list for self improvement. I hope this will help you and inspire you to create a resolution list for yourself. I have divided this list into 7 categories which I think are important in my life, and inside those 7 categories, the things that I have decided to do. So, without wasting any time, let's start. So the first category that I have come up with is the physical health. I believe that physical health, it is important to take care of your physical health in order to be fit and in order to have a clear mindset and a healthy lifestyle. So in the physical health, the things that I have decided are to exercise 30 minutes. It can be yoga, walk, or a simple workout routine, and drinking 8 glasses of water, getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep. I think this will be easy because I like to sleep a lot. Reduce sugar. I think this will be easy because I don't anyway eat any sugar. Reduce processed foods intake. I think this will be easy too because I don't usually take any processed foods. I like fresh food and I cook. Because I love cooking, I always cook fresh, so I think this will be easy. Category number 2 is mental health, very important. I have decided to practice meditation for 10 minutes every day, journaling my thoughts at the end of the day, taking breaks during work, learning to say no to avoid unnecessary stress, practice gratitude, practice affirmations first thing in the morning. Moving to category number 3 is personal care. In this, taking care of my skin, doing skincare twice a day. So right now also I do my skincare and I do have a good skin. That is because of genetics, but I only do skincare once in the day, like only in the evening. In the morning I just wash my face with water and sunscreen, but I have decided to do a full skincare in morning as well as night, and then drinking a lot of water and keeping my skin hydrated, because the only problem with my skin is that it is very dry and it tends to lose water very easily and very fast. So I have to keep myself hydrated by drinking a lot of water and applying a lot of moisturizers and body lotion. Taking care of my hair. So my hair altogether has a different story. I might create a video on hair care because I have struggled with hair a lot. Also I have 2 kids because of that as well, and also because of not taking care of my hair I had faced very ugly kind of hair loss. But now with God's grace I am getting my hair back. So I will create a separate video onto how my hair care journey was, and my resolution is that I will continue to take care of my hair the same way and grow my hair. I want to grow like very long hair. Now they are like this much, but I want to grow very long and thick hair and shiny hair. Ironing my hair weekly and doing daily hair massages. Category number 4 is family. Obviously family has been always my priority, so yes, I have decided to give more time to my family, spend more time with my kids, spending more time with my husband, doing more frequent family outings and date nights with my husband. Also spending more time with my parents. Because of my kids I am not able to visit them as frequently, but I have decided that I will get up and go to my parents' house and spend more time with them. Category number 5 is productivity, being more productive, and the steps that I have decided to do this year are using a planner to organize my daily tasks. So whenever I get up, the first thing I do is create a to-do list for the entire day. So now I am planning to use a planner instead of a to-do list. Follow 80-20 rule. Dedicate hourly 1 hour every day towards learning a new skill. I think this will help me a lot because I only learn something new when I feel like there's a need to do, but I think it should be a part of a daily routine. Every day, if I learn something new, then it will be highly productive. Limit social media to 30 minutes a day. I think, yeah, this is doable. Next category is focus and concentration. In this category, I have practice Pomodoro technique while working, like taking frequent breaks while working to keep yourself fresh. Reading 20 minutes daily. Yeah, so I like reading, but the only thing is that I don't find enough time. So I have decided that I will be reading 20 minutes every day. So let's see how it goes, how far I will be able to pull it up. Start your day with most important tasks. Yeah, so I have a list of tasks, but the tasks are not yet, like, I do not prioritize. But in 2025 I have decided that I will be doing the important tasks first in the first half of the day, and in the later half I will be doing not so important tasks, because in the second half my energy is usually low, and during the mornings my energy is high. So I think that will help me be more productive and achieve more tasks. Keep your workspace clutter free. This is difficult because my daughter, she's a toddler, and she keeps she keeps throwing her toys here and there, and her books are everywhere, and then I try to keep the space as tidy and clean as possible. But she does it over and over again, and this is like so tiring. The entire day I have to clean up the house 5 to 6 times, but still I will try and do it as much as I can. And seventh category is efficiency and growth. Here I have decided to review my goals weekly and adjust my plans as needed to keep a track of what my plans are they going on track, and if not, then I can do some changes and see how they are going ahead. Learn to automate repetitive tasks. So whatever tasks that are there and they are repeating on a regular basis, so I can automate it, so there I will be able to save my energy. Network and connect with inspiring people regularly. So yeah, I have decided that this is going to be a very important thing for me in 2025. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. So yeah, I am always a person who likes to celebrate smallest of things, so this will be easy for me to celebrate everything. It will keep me motivated and keep going. So yeah, this is my list of new year resolutions, and that I will be sticking to this, and I hope it will help you to create a list for yourself. So yeah, see you in the next video. Happy New Year. Take care, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.